my Ring floodlight camera. It's a total piece of shit. This is as bright as the lights get. As you can see, it's strobing. This guy right here, it started strobing. It was probably less than a year old. I want to say I've had it for a couple of years now. I think they think these lights are supposed to last like 10 years, but obviously they don't even last a couple of years. This one just started strobing a couple of weeks ago, and now they're both so damn dim that they do absolutely nothing to scare anybody off. So I also don't like the fact that you got to pay a membership to watch the video and shit. So I got Wyze cameras all over my house. Their new ones are badass. The night vision looks like frickin' daytime. So what I've got now is this Wyze Cam Floodlight Pro. It's supposed to be really badass. Got it through Amazon and the Wyze Cam website for like $140 or something like that. It's supposed to have 3,000 lumens. I'm not sure what that piece of shit is, but there ain't no way it's 3,000. And here it is with my flash on, so obviously you can see it's Ring Cam. So since I'm doing a video, I might as well touch base on the differences, right? So here's the piece of shit Ring camera. This plate mounts to the house, and these two screws right here, they come up to these two holes, and then you got these little plastic nut deals that go on there. Okay, and then here's the difference. On the Wyze Cam, there's one single bolt that goes through the middle here, and then it goes into the plate. Right off the bat, one thing I don't really like is my wires are kind of pinched going into my hole there. It's probably not a huge deal. I'm hoping that the bolt that goes through the middle isn't way too long, and in fact I should probably move whatever's in there so that that bolt don't hit it. But one thing I thought I'd show you guys is it comes with this cool little strap you can hang your shit on while you're doing your wiring. Here we go. Camera is way better too.